Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome once again to this video series that is based on my book titled Naked Forex Trading Secrets. Trade macro and micro trends for a living. My name is Nana Osai, and in this video, we touch on confirming micro trend change or confirming a micro trend change. So let's jump in to look at how we can confirm micro trend changes in the markets. So micro trend change. So now we understand what a micro trend is. Therefore, over here, we see that we have to look at the last. Okay, so let's come here. Let's start from here. This is the last bearish candle whose high was taken, and so after the close of this candle with its body above the high of the previous bearish candle, we can say that the micro trend is up. Okay, so when it closes, that is when the change begins. Okay, so from here we can confidently say that the micro trend is up. It is when this candle closes above the high of the last bearish candle with its body, then the micro trend is said to be up. And when is the micro trend said to be down? The micro trend is said to be down when the low of the last bullish candle is taken. Okay, when the low of the last bullish candle is taken by the body of the last of a bearish candle, when the low of a last bullish candle is taken by the body of the last of a bearish candle. Okay, now I did not consider this because it's not a major candle. This is a major candle. Okay, so from here, right at the point where or right at the time when this candle closes, you can confirm that the micro trend is downward. Okay, now when we got here, this candle closed above this bearish candle with its body. However, in my trading, I would not consider that to be a trend change because it doesn't look like a major candle. I have said in a previous video that all candles have the same weight because they all took the same amount of time to fall. However, this does not look significant enough to me. So for me to consider a micro trend to be up, I'll look at the major candle with the major body. So the high of this candle should be taken by the close, by the time this candle closes with this body for me to think or for me to consider it as a micro trend that's going up. Now, over here, we have this bearish candle closing below the low of the bullish candle. Okay, it did well. Personally, I would consider this as not big enough for me to consider its low to have been taken. But this candle was strong enough to break the low of this candle with its body, and so the micro trend is down. Now, here, this bullish candle failed to close above the high of this last bearish candle, so the micro trend is down until you go here. And this candle closed above the high of this last bearish candle, and so the micro trend is up. Now you would realize that there's a consolidation phase. Okay, there's a consolidation phase. I'll use the same chart to explain macro trend, and I will explain something very important, and I'll explain why this formation looks like that. So micro trend is up. Okay, I came down here, micro trend shifted downwards, and then from there this candle closed above the high of the last major bearish candle and the micro trend started coming up. Now These candles made attempts to close below, but it failed. So the micro trend is said to be up, 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 up until this body of the last candle, bearish candle, closed below the low of this last bullish candle. So the micro trend was down here until price broke above the high of the last bearish candle here. So once the high of a bearish candle is taken, okay, by the body of a bullish candle, we say that the micro trend is up. Okay, yes, I hope you understand this explanation. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be adding more videos on the same themes, and so do not worry. You can play the videos over and over again and then watch the additional ones. And if you don't get it, you can post questions in the comments, and I will respond to them. All right, to optimize your understanding of the concepts that are being presented here. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.